Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Kumar and welcome back to my channel, My Own English. Today is day 25 of my 30-day English speaking challenge, and today I am going to share with you about my favorite teacher. So first we will know who is my favorite teacher. So my favorite teacher name is Anglo Mascorano. He is a he teacher he teach me mathematics, and he teach me mathematics in like of playing with mathematics. That time I love mathematics, and you can say that time, even though I teach my friend I teach my friend through mathematics if they didn't understand anything in mathematical concept. And because of that, because of my sir, and my sir is very kind in nature and he is very polite, and every time he supports me a lot. And when I got get distracted from uh, and when I get distracted, then they they show me my path, and that is not your path. This is the your path. Follow this path, and you will achieve success. And I always listen to myself and got 97% tag in mathematics that time. And he is the one of the best teacher in my life. Even and I am very fortunate to like have that teacher, and sorry, he is so special for me. And my teacher is best part of my life. I can say that because of my teacher right now I am here, and I completed my all course during that time. And that's it for me. Thanks thanks for listening me. See you guys in next day.